Hey, hello to all. Welcome to Hacker Associate broadcast. You are watching the Hacker Show. Today I am going to show you about this tool called ROADtools, how to set up. You can use some AI agent which will help you to set up this tool, ROADtools. When I click here, here are the steps in order to set up ROADtool. Number one, if you see, you can clone and you can follow this method in order to set up this particular framework. So in my case, I created the scripts here just to guide you. I'm recording the videos, you get an idea how to use it. So here I use some activation script. So source, you simple copy this command and paste in the new tab and activate it, because I cloned the repository under the OPT Cloud Pentest folder. And if you want to manually activate all this, you can run this command, and this way you will be able to activate ROADtool. After that, you simple type this command. So example, there are three variants in this. So number one, first is ROADrecon auth device code. So it will provide a link to you, and you just copy this link, put in the browser and enter your credential which you want to use, okay, for cloning. Second part is enter the code. That code, okay, like it will going to ask you on the portal, okay, you can simple add that code. Once you add it, you run this command, ROADrecon gather, and third is ROADrecon GUI. When this part is done, okay, all this you can see clearly, we will be able to see all the information, okay, under the portal, like users. We can see all the users with all the updates, devices, informations, administrative units, directory roles, everything we can see that, okay, properly. So this is the way of reconnaissance, and previously we have discussed many other part of the reconnaissance, and in the coming chapter I'm going to show you how to exploit, okay, how to chain, how to perform a lateral movement using these informations. So that's all for this. I hope you enjoy the video, and we will meet in the next episode. I'm going to show you some interesting stuff of how to pentest cloud. Have a great day.